Hi, AliveColors has received a major update to version 10. Here's what's new. Everything for everyone. We've changed our licensing model. Now there are just two licenses, free and business. The free version now includes all editor features for personal use, making art more accessible. Redesigned interface. The new version features a modern, stylish and most importantly intuitive interface designed to enhance productivity. Work with vector graphics has been significantly enhanced. AliveColors 10 introduces a powerful new system for creating and managing vector paths and masks, complete with new dedicated panels. Create high-quality scalable graphics with ease. A new neural filter has been added, image colorization that allows you to color black and white photos in just one click. Add color to your old photos. AI noise reduction filter has been improved. New neural models will provide impeccable detail and fast speed. A new text warping feature allows you to add distortion effects to the text. Great for your designs. The update includes a new group of effects, Stylize, with defined edges and Solarize filters. The Pixelate group also has the new color halftones effect. These and many other improvements are waiting for you in the new version of the program. You can see the full changelog on the programs page at AliveColors.com. The update is ready to be installed. Bring your ideas to life.